I'm going to show you how you can make money in 2025. First off, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a pretty common option for a lot of people these days, but dropshipping, it needs a lot of research and you need a lot of effort to actually get it running and make a lot of money, right? And the most common solution is usually Shopify here, right? This is the most common website you usually use when you want to use dropshipping, right? So dropshipping, things like these, you can see, it's things like these, right? So the next big thing that's apparently making a lot of booms right now is called affiliate marketing, right? By TikTok themselves. So what you basically do, instead of making the products yourself, finding the products yourself, setting up a shop and then marketing it yourself, you just be a marketer. You just be someone who promotes products that other people already sell, right? So you just be a creator, and then when you sell something, like for example, you promote a headphones, right? And the headphones is from a manufacturer up there in China, in Canada, in California, whatever, right? You sell their product, and then their product is bought because you sold it to the customer, right? So you get a commission, right? So here, sometimes the commission is like 20%, 50%, things like that, right? So you can also be a seller if you like. So you can get other creators to promote your product. But for creators, you can see you just have to find a product, you can get a sample, and then you can sell the product, right? So you sell the product, you get a 20% commission, and then that's it. You get a lot of money by doing that, right? If you want to join now, just tap on this button here to join now, and then just tap on Partner Center or Seller Center here. If you want, you can also press this button to get started like this. And then you can see you'll be put into a center like this, right? And then you just have to pick what kind of Asia seller you have. So for example, I'm in Asia here, for example, and then I'm just gonna pick an Indonesia seller here, for example. Click on enter, and then let's just wait for it to load. And you can see you'll have to log in just like this, and then you'll have to go through the process of becoming an affiliate creator. And then once you go through that process, you can start becoming a creator, and then you can start promoting products and then getting that commission rate you always wanted.